Hello and welcome to Predict Risk Controller. Today, I'll be showing you how the configurability of Predict means that you can use Predict Risk Controller to manage risk at all levels of your organisation. This means that you can have all of the risks in your enterprise in one database, and you can be sure that you're making decisions based on the complete risk picture. The first way that we've designed Predict to be used at multiple levels of an organisation is by providing a flexible folder structure which can be used to mirror your organisational hierarchy. As an administrator, and for the purposes of this demonstration, I have access and can see all of the folders in our hierarchy. But for people working on just one project, for example, you can limit their view accordingly. This makes it very simple and straightforward for people working in single areas of the business. Because I can see everything though, I can easily navigate up our hierarchy to view risks at different levels. As we go up through our different projects, programs and functions, we're viewing risks through a different lens at each level, because we can assign different folders their own unique scoring system. This means that at our corporate level, risks can be scored completely differently to the project level, for example, and they can even include different impact types. You can even assign different scoring systems to different projects to reflect the differences in budgets and project durations. However, we've taken things one step further, and you can now use the same percentage-based scoring system across multiple folders, and the impacts will be calculated as a percentage of the project budget and estimated duration. You may have hundreds or even thousands of projects in your organisation, and this is a simple way to create just one scoring system which can handle all the individual differences of each project. Having different scoring systems for different projects is all well and good when we're viewing risks by just one folder. But what happens when I want to look at risks across multiple folders, and I want to be able to compare them on a like-for-like basis? Here, I'm looking at risks at the program level, which includes 3 folders beneath my current position. These folders could all be using different scoring systems, so I can actually remap the values to a single scoring system in order to be able to compare them more easily. I simply select my Edit List button here and scroll to the bottom where I have the option to choose which scoring system is being displayed. You may have also noticed that I can remap the currency being used if my folders are using a combination of values. I'll remap this list to use our corporate scoring system, and we can see how the scores have changed. We can also configure other parts of the tool to make them more suitable to multiple types of users working at different levels of the business. If we open up the third screen, our risk detail, we can demonstrate this. There are a large number of fields available in this screen so that we can record lots of information about an individual risk. This is great for a user working on a complex project where we need to be able to record as much information as possible. But for users on smaller projects, or even if you're recording risks higher up in the organisation at corporate level, we may want to strip this right back and only have the essential fields available. This can all be controlled in the administration interface, and you can even change the wording to reflect differences in terminology across the business. I hope that this short demonstration has shown you how you can configure Predict Risk Controller to make it suitable to be used at all levels of your organisation. If you'd like a more in-depth demonstration, please get in touch via our contact page.